Sugan ani.
Here at AJ's Oyster and Shan.
Yeah.
My frozen margarita is so good.
Like it.
Like it.
Okay.
Seafood gumbo. That's a fried shrimp. Fried shrimps. Salt and peppers for the gumbo.
You know.
Itadakimasu! Okay, try it and tell me if I'm gonna like it.
No.
Oh my
Ready na.
goodness. What?
Ready na.
I'm not gonna like it.
Yeah.
So, seasoned rice, hush puppies, fried onion rings, and New York strip.
So ako.
Kiwi.
Basta na medium. Congratulations or medium well?
Medium well.
Medium well.
We're gonna try French donuts.
Welcome to Benignets and Brew.
Beignets.
Binito.
Look at them.
Ano Benignet?
Beignets.
Ay, yung Benignet na rin.
Be careful, it's hot.
Ano gani? Newspaper. Mag-shakoy.
No. A little bit crispy outside and chewy inside.
Ay, pala bigyan mo. Nag-kuhay ka ganina.
What?
Pinaka-margarita ng adlaw. Tulo.
One.
Tulo.
One margarita then one.
Ganyan. Tulo. Margarito.
Ano ba ito? Ramen siguro ba? Ano siya? Malalaki daw ko. Tawag doon daw.